Well, as you can see, my 3D printer is working again. I've installed a new belt on it, this time the right way. And this is now some red PETG filament from Matter Hackers, because I almost ran out of my blue the other time. And he's printing a 3D Benchy, kind of torture test. And man, it looks really good so far. So I'm doing a time lapse of this with Octoprint, which is that webcam, and that white stick is hooked up to a Raspberry Pi Zero W to that's controlling the printer essentially. And there's this cool web interface that you might be able to see. That there's like the temperature and the current job and all that, and I can go in and look at like the video and control it. And then there's this cool this cool time lapse thing that is used for all the time lapses. So I'll share the time lapse as another video after this finishes. But yeah, check it out. It's still doing it. We're about 28% of the way done. So probably another hour, and then I will share it.